Hi everybody, my name's Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys, Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Sorry guys, I'm giggling because I couldn't count from 1 to 3 a second ago before we start the video.
What did you say, 1, 4,
I don't know
3
what.
or something?
I think my brain just went to shut down. I don't know what happened there.
We've had a really full clinic today, and we're recording this after a really busy clinic, so our heads are not really, really in the
You're not catching us at our best, let's put it that way.
No.
So this one's mine. Very sticky. The one I had yesterday was very, very sticky. This one is also super sticky, but a bit more keratin thrown in there as well.
Yeah, coming away okay so far.
Fingers, yeah, it is. I'm not sure how much of a problem. Sometimes that little bit of keratin you can see lifting off the one side of the canal, well, it's just disappeared. Sometimes that causes more of an issue, the next it flicks in front of the suction, but it's coming away well.
Nice.
Good size piece. Let's go a little bit beyond that. A little bit of a harder layer maybe. Ooh, is it going to come away cleanly?
Just waiting for that lift.
Yeah.
Oh, there it comes.
It's all about the lift. You know if it's going to go because that first lift will tell you exactly how this is going to behave. Sometimes if you hover just above it and it jumps up towards the suction, you know the whole thing's going to come away.
We don't want it to break apart though.
No. I had one in clinic actually today, which is going to be coming a bit later on YouTube, and that one was a really thick kind of clay type wax, and I had to be so careful with it to try and keep it together. Looking nice and. Oh, got a little bit more. Oh, it's a bit further in as well. I think there's a little bit sneaky bit further down by the eardrum, I think.
Quite angular as well, that bit.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh, it's a long piece.
It is, look at that go. Oh, it broke away. And beyond it, there we go, we got that, that lump. It's quite a big old piece that is resting against the eardrum. Not stuck though, thank goodness. Oof. I hope that's coming.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah, just got to get around that bend. Is the back end of it, is that loose bit going to break away? I think it just did, didn't I? Did it break off the end? I can't quite tell. Oh, maybe not.
I got a feeling it might be there.
So, yeah,
there it is.
Yeah, sometimes they're really kind of just a very, very thin attachment there, isn't it? It doesn't come away very easily. There we go. What's going on beyond it?
That's a nice easy one for you. Nice quick one for you today.
That's a good one, that one. Yeah. Dealer's choice gone.
1 and 7/8, is it? I was 1 1/4. 1 and 1/8. 1 and
1/8. That is.
I just had to say 1
and 1/8.
These.
That's 1 and 1/8. Oh, I was thinking you could try it. 1 and 1/8. That is. I better.
No, I can't say it.
That's 2 centimeters, just over 3 centimeters. There you go, you can see it through that. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. Don't forget, Waxpoint is not far around the corner. If you do have any problems with your ears, then you can always check out the link tree in the description and book yourself an appointment to see myself or the lovely Miss Taylor Green. Take care of your ears.
Take care of yourself.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.